You got the miniatures, you got the paints, but that fear of messing it up keeps you frozen. What if I ruin the model? It's too expensive to screw it up. Maybe later. I spent years paralyzed by the same fears, staring at unpainted miniatures, watching tutorials, but never started. Here's what changed one day. One day, I just started painting. And every miniature you see here started as a great piece of plastic. Every detail that you're looking at painted by someone who once was absolutely terrified to pick up a brush. 10 years, hundreds of miniatures, and every single one taught me something new. On this channel, you will learn beginner-friendly techniques that build confidence fast. Oil washes, dry brush, how to fix mistakes. Whether you are painting Warhammer, Dungeons & Dragons, Crusade, Infinity, this is your safe space to learn without judgment. Subscribe and join a community where mistakes are welcome, imperfection is part of the process, and every painted miniature is a victory. Let's paint without fear, together!